Good morning, Biancy.
Hi, good morning.
Thank you for this interview. Um, you've been friends with Pia,
Yes.
our new Miss Universe, for some time now.
Yes.
How do you how do you know her? Where do you think her personality comes from?
Oh, Pia is very humble. Pia is smart. Pia is very cool, and she's very witty and everything. All the girls should have, which is kuhang-kuha niya sa mom niya. So the attitude she has now, manang-mana siya sa mommy niya. So I think her mom really raised them well.
How did you get to know Pia and her mother?
We used to have dinner in Manila. Kasi minsan lang umuwi si Mother. Si Mother Cheryl. Hi, Mami Che. Minsan lang kami nagka-dinner ni Mami Che. But we really had a lot of conversations kasi she is Bisaya. Pure Bisaya siya. So, ang saya kasi I just don't get a chance to have a lot of conversations with Pia. And of course, sa mami din niya.
Mm-hmm. And nung ini-interview siya after the pageant, may nabanggit siya na meron daw siyang inaaral na diary.
Yeah.
Na yun daw ang ni-review niya sa backstage.
Yes.
Para siya mahanda ng mga magaganda niyang naging sagot sa question and answer. May nakita ka na sa isa sa mga diary. Ano pa itong diary na ito? Mahiwaga.
She always brings that diary, yung parang notebook. And merong mga quotes doon na I don't really want to go into that diary kasi it's Pia's personal belonging. I don't want to go beyond what's personal to her. So, yun lang.
Yeah. Ano itsura itong diary na to?
Notebook. It's just a notebook. Handwritten. Lahat ni Pia yun. Nasa loob na.
At bakit ito nakatulong sa kanya sa palagay mo?
Because every day, she used to tell me that every day when she reads that diary, when she reads a lot of questions, every day she adds something, she adds answers to those, and on the next day and the other day, she gets another idea, and then she fills in again, and then she lessens again. So something like that. Yes.
Okay. And itong since becoming Binibining Pilipinas Miss Universe, nakailang bisita na ba siya ngayon dito sa Cagayan de Oro, ang kanyang pinanggalingang bayan?
Oh. Since she won Binibining Pilipinas 2015, third time na siyang nakabalik. Like on summer and on August, I think, before the fiesta, and on September. So, pangatlo siyang umuwi dito sa CDO. Yes.
Ano yung unique experience mo of welcoming her back to Cagayan de Oro last summer?
I was the one who drive the car for her. And I was very flattered kasi Pia never failed to thank me. Like, always saying thank you, like every hour nagte-thank you siya. Sabi ko, okay lang Pia, I'm a big fan of yours. I will do anything for you. And yun, nakakatuwa kasi kahit na walang driver, ako na lang yung nag-drive for her. Ang saya kasi nandyan siya eh. So it doesn't really matter.
Saan ba kayo nagpunta during the motorcade last summer?
The starting point was at SM. So we just roamed around Cagayan de Oro. The center of Cagayan de Oro is Divisoria. Pumunta naman kami sa Centrio Mall na area, yung Sagaysano and Centrio. Doon kami dumaan. And then pumunta din kami sa Limkitcay, which is one of the biggest malls too. And then yun, bumalik na kami sa SF.
bumisita rin ba siya sa mga old places dito na kung saan siya nag-spend ng kabataan niya?
Oh, yes. Actually, she requested me na, Viancy, can we go to our old house? Can we go to the old church where we used to spend our Sundays with my family when I was a kid? So, syempre, I was not hesitant. It's like, okay, Pia, that's not a problem. Let's go. And then, yun, magkasama pa kaming nanood ng Manny Pacquiao. Doon pa nagsimula yung tweet na, hayaan nyo, babawi tayo sa Miss Universe. Yes, magkasama kami noon. Yung sinabi na yun, that exact day, magkasama kami. Kaya on that day, alam kong mananalo siya because she's very determined.
Anong reaction mo, ikaw mismo, nung nanalo siya? Nung habang nanonood ka, tapos nung na-announce na nga na siya nga si Miss Universe.
I am more than happy. Kasi I was already expecting that she will win. Alam kong mananalo siya. Kasi aside from Pia having that beautiful face, having that sexy body, having that confidence, mabait talaga si Pia. So I know that she will really win.
Okay, so parting comments, being a Cagayanon, and ano bang reaction ng mga taga-Cagayanon sa pagkapanalo niya?
Everybody was so excited to see her. Like after the crowning of Miss Universe, everybody in Cagayan de Oro was posting na sana mag-homecoming si Pia. Sana she will come home right after the ano. Tapos yung iba namang kakilala ko from CDO, they were very busy texting, calling, sending me message na, V, kailan uuwi si Pia? We want to meet her. Sana bigyan mo kami ng chance na ma-meet siya. And the only thing that I can tell them is that let's just wait kung ano yung decision ni Pia, because we all know that Miss Universe is a big responsibility and it would take a year kasi Pia will not be based in the Philippines. We all know that. So we'll just have to wait. Even if a year, it's okay. A year would be very fast.
Okay, so thank you very much, V.
Yes, thank you.